questionnaires, interviews, field note-based observation, and focus groups. None of those methods are better than any of the other methods. Each has strengths and weaknesses. So really, as researchers, what we need to think about is what is this good for and what is this not good for.
We do not follow the good flow or the good pattern. It is something jumbled questions here and
right.
there.
Yeah. Right. Which is why there needs to be an objective, or you need to be clear on what the purpose is. But for that, to be clear on what that purpose is, you don't necessarily need a theory, but you do need a purpose. Otherwise, you can ask thousands of questions. That you should use an interview in your study. It depends on what the nature of the problem is, what sort of data you want. So, when we switch over to talking about survey questionnaires, we're going to talk first of all about what are the questionnaires good for, and what aren't they so good for.
People at all different levels of organization. So that was one clarification. Also, because this workshop is so much geared for university lecturers, we are aware that you're under pressure to publish, to present the results of your research. So think about that as well. The audience is in terms of your professional community. If you're writing a paper about your research, not exactly the practical, but later on, when you're doing actual research, who would be the readers or the audience or the people who would be most interested in knowing what you're doing. So your actual research report is not only something that you put inside a folder, put in a drawer, nobody's going to read, nobody will ever see that again. You check a box, I did my report, I'm done.